golden. In these quiet hours I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. The counter fades, a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every